Chapter 1. The different types of meditation. During ancient times, meditation was usually practiced by sitting still and focusing on a specific point of the body or on one's breath. Its main purpose was to strengthen one's relationship with the divine, acquire psychic power, and to gain enlightenment. But these days, meditation serves to reduce stress and anxiety and better manage one's emotions, thoughts, and overall health. Additionally, it now takes different forms, and various techniques are used to get the same benefits. You no longer have to just sit still in one position. In this guide, we will look at 6 types of meditation. You can use any one or a combination of techniques that appeal to you the most. The 6 types of meditation are as follows: spiritual meditation, heart rhythm meditation, mindfulness meditation, Qigong, chanting meditation, visualization meditation.